Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. These are the bath sponges, or loofahs, some people call them, from the seller Tinya Direct. And I'll see if I can zoom in so you can see this information. As with all my purchases, buy these with my own money. Just like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. Now, I bought two different sets. So when you buy these, you can pick what color scheme do you want. Do you just want a certain color or do you want a variety of colors? So I'll show you both of them. Actually, I won't open up both. They should be the same, but just to give you an idea of what the quality is like. This is the white one. So they're all good size and have lots of layers. So they should hold a lot of soap, etc. Just for kick's sake, in case you're thinking about buying the one that's all the same colors. Same thing. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing video. Hope it helps.